So this is the 2011 American Heritage 45 BT by American Coach, and it is a 45-foot diesel pusher sitting on a Spartan chassis. 650 horsepower Cummins engine and an Allison 6-speed automatic tag axle. This thing was built to move. And with a 150-gallon fuel tank and a 15,000 pounds of towing capacity, it's built to go the distance too. So just to take a quick look at the living room before we head up front, it has 3 slide outs and it is sitting over 450 square foot. There is heated porcelain tile floors, power privacy shades, a decorative ceiling. It's a good looking interior. Up here in the cockpit, both the driver and passenger seats are heated and they have built-in massage controls. In the main living area, you have 2 freestanding chairs, and on the opposite side, you'll have a couch. There is a dinette here for dining, or you can convert it into another bed. The kitchen is right next to everything. Residential refrigerator, dishwasher, convection microwave, 2-burner electric flat top range, solid surface countertops. There is a half bath just off the kitchen. It has a toilet and a sink. Convenient for the day so you're not walking to the back every single time. And here you have a stacked washer and dryer on board. In the master bedroom, there's a dedicated entertainment center back here with tons of storage. There is a king-size bed that offers a dual number sleep number bed. Now check out this amazing master bathroom. It has his and her sinks, great counter space, and a solid layout. Like, check out the size of that shower. This is the 2011 American Heritage 45 BT, and it's available right now at RV Depot Supercenter in Cleburne, Texas. Give us a call today. We're happy to answer any questions you have.